This is Steven over here at the Starkey Farmstead. Welcome back. It is 26 degrees out here this morning. I know your phones might say 32 if you're down here in Louisiana, South Louisiana, whatever. But it isn't. I got a weather vane telling me it is not no 32. It says 26.
That's an AccuWeather, right?
AccuWeather, whatever kind of thing. It still tells me it's colder than what the weatherman tells me.
Yeah, so what are we doing this morning?
We're going to go check and see if these 3 babies are alive.
All right, let's go do it.
All right. We're looking for the rabbits that had the little black marks. And apparently I found one already. And it's gone. They may be just too weak to do anything just yet. Number 2.
That one's still alive?
Yep, I got one that's still alive.
Oh, come on, Jesus. I'll take one.
One's better than none.
All right. So out of the 3 babies that we moved from one nesting box to the other, we were able to save 1. And what that does tell me is I waited a little too long. I trusted that she was going to be a better mother than she was, and they got too weak. If they don't eat within the first 24 hours, they become too weak, guys. So keep that in mind when you're watching your new moms. If you're in doubt and you've got a good mom breastfeeding at the same time, go ahead and move your kids over. In fact, we almost always breed 2 does at the same time, just in case. I've actually had a mother pass away a week and a half after her kids were born. So, I mean, it happens. It's better if you've got a couple of moms breeding at once and nursing at once. All right, guys, thank you for watching Starkey Farmstead. I can say this, she did not reject the babies. They were just too weak because that one baby's doing well. Looks like it ate. And God willing, it'll live. So you guys have a blessed day. We have a lot going on today. Sorry about the wind and the weather, and I haven't even brushed my hair. Farm life, you gotta love it.